Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the Roblox logo flicker, and this is how it flies. Whoa! Oh, it just landed on that table. Alright, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this Roblox logo flicker, I'm going to use a 6 square of kami. Okay, so let's begin with the white side up, and let's fold in half. We're going to make a water bomb base. Okay, unfold, and fold in half this way. Alright, and now fold this corner to the top. And turn over, and repeat. And open here, and squash. And now fold the front flaps to the top. And repeat on the back side. Okay, unfold. And now rotate and fold this flap to here. Unfold, turn over, and let's reverse that crease. Okay, unfold, and now take this edge and fold it up like this on the crease, and flatten right here, so on those creases, and then make a new fold here. Alright, and repeat. And repeat on the back side. Okay, like this. Here we have a house shape here. And now we're gonna unfold it temporarily, and we're gonna make a couple folds on the sides. So, fold this edge to this crease. And you don't really need to fold it all the way across, just make a crease mark here and there. And fold this edge to the crease mark. And this time you can fold it all the way across. And repeat on this side too. So fold to the crease and make a crease mark here and here, and fold to the crease marks. Okay, and now fold this up on this crease, and on this crease, and here, and here, like that. Okay, and now fold this corner to the middle, and repeat on this side. Okay, and now take this part and we're gonna fold it up, and we're gonna fold it like this. And repeat on this side, so wrap it over like that. Okay, and repeat on this side. Okay, and now take this flap and insert it into this slot. And repeat on this side. Okay, and do it right here too. Okay, and now take this flap and we're gonna also insert it in here, and this will lock it too in place. See? Just like that. And repeat on this side. Alright, and there it is. The Roblox logo flicker. And yeah, I think it's a pretty cool model, and just make everything sharp. And there it is. And now, I'm going to show you how it flies. So you just hold it like this and give it a good flick, like that. Okay. Okay, so to fly this flicker, you know the drill. It's just like an ordinary flicker. So, I'm going to hold it like this, and I'm going to flick on this top edge. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Ooh, it almost went up there. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed folding that flicker and enjoy flying it. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.